Good morning to all. Welcome to 5th Standard Social Science class. Previous class we have finished lesson 8 Extreme Climate Region. The temperate grassland prairies in North America. Okay. Today we are learn about lesson 8 book exercise. All of you take book page number 49. Page number 49. Assessment work. Option A. State whether the statement or true or false. First question. Prairies or treeless grassland in North America. Say the answer. Prairies or treeless grassland in North America. Answer is true. Okay. Second question. The temperate grassland in Europe are called pampas. Say the answer. False. Okay. The temperate grassland in Europe are called pampas. False. Answer is false. Third question. Europeans converted the farmland into grassland in the North America. Say the answer. False. Okay. Fourth question. The prairies are called the wheat basket of the world. Say the answer. The prairies are called the wheat basket of the world. Answer is true. Okay. Fifth question. Most of the farming work in the prairies is done by machines. Most of the farming work in the prairies is done by machines. Say the answer. Yes, true. Okay, option B. Tick the correct answer. First question. Which of the following is not a temperate grassland? Which of the following is not a temperate grassland? Option A. Prairies. Option B. Savanna. Option C. Pampas. Option D. Downs. Say the answer. Yes, option B. Savanna. Second question. Which crop is not found in the prairies? Option A. Wheat. Option B. Corn. Option C. Oats. Option D. Rice. Say the answer. Yes, answer is option D. Rice. Okay, third question. Large open areas on which cattle reared are called. Large open areas on which cattle reared are called. Option A. Ranges. Option B. Facendas. Option C. Homestead. Option D. Cattle farms. Say the answers. Option A. Ranges. Okay. Fourth question. Which of the following is an important center for slaughtering cattle for meat? Say it again. Which of the following is an important center for slaughtering cattle for meat? Option A. Cleveland. Option B. Chicago. Option C. Houston. Option D. Dallas. Say the answer. Chicago. Okay. Correct answer is Chicago. Option B. Chicago. Okay. Fifth question. The climate in the prairies is not influenced by. The climate in the prairies is not influenced by. Option A. Sea. Option B. Mountains. Option C. Wind. Option D. Seasons. Say the answer. Yes, option A. C. Okay, next page number 50. Option C. Filling the blanks. The prairies were originally the grazing ground for dash. Say it again. The prairies were originally the grazing ground for dash. Pigeons. Pigeons means காட்டெருமைகள் சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா? So pigeons, P-I-S-O-N, pigeon. Second question. Prairie is a dash word which means dash. Prairie is a French word. Okay, French word, F-R-E-N-C-H. French word which means meadow or grassland. Meadow, M-E-A-D-O-W, meadow or grassland, G-R-A-S-S-L-A-N-D, grassland, meadow or grassland. Okay. Prairies is a French word which means meadow or grassland. Third question, pigeons were killed by the dash for meat. Pigeons were killed by the dash for meat. Answer is Europeans. Pigeons were killed by the Europeans for meat. இறைச்சிக்காக காட்டெருமைகளை என்ன செஞ்சாங்க, கொன்றாங்க. ஓகேவா? The next fourth question, the stable diet of most Americans is dash. The stable diet of most Americans is dash. Wheat. Okay, answer is wheat. WHEAT, wheat. The stable diet of most American is wheat. Fifth question, the prairies are almost midway between dash and dash. The prairies are almost midway between dash and dash. The equator. Between the equator and the North Pole. The prairies are almost midway between the equator and North Pole. The equator. 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 The North Pole. THENORTHPOLE. North Pole. Okay. Next, option B, match the following. Column A, column B. First question, towns. Towns. நம்ம அந்த வேர்ல்டு மேப்பில் பார்த்தோம் இல்லையா, எதெல்லாம் கிராஸ்லேண்ட், எந்தெந்த சிட்டிலாம் கிராஸ்லேண்ட் உள்ள பகுதின்னு நம்ம பார்த்தோம் இல்லையா வேர்ல்டு மேப்பில். ஸோ அந்த ஆன்சர் மென்ஷன் பண்ணுங்கள். டவுன்ஸ் ஆப்ஷன். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின் டவுன்ஸ் ஆஸ்திரேலியா, ஆப்ஷன் சி ஆஸ்திரேலியா. செகண்ட் கொஸ்டின் வேர்ல்டு ஆப்ரிக்கா, ஆப்ஷன் இ ஆப்ரிக்கா. Then third question, Pampas, option D, South America. Okay. Then fourth question, steppers, option B, Europe. Fifth question, prairies, option A, pigeons. Okay. Okay, all of you study well. We will meet you in the next class. Thank you.